Hello everyone, this is Mohan Raghavan, and today we are going to see how to duplicate the rows, which will be the very familiar use case in most of us. For example, you can see on your left hand side, there is a table having name and location. And we have the course table where we have the list of courses to be completed. For example, you may need to create a table where each individual record has to be repeated multiple times based on the number of courses. For instance, a Rudra India record has to be repeated 4 times to map with HTML, JS, CSS, and Python courses. For minimal number of records, it looks like a very simple. However, it gets more complex when you have multiple rows and multiple courses. Doing manually will be time consuming and cumbersome. So that we are going to use the Power Query to duplicate the same scenario, how to make it very easily because of the Power Query options. Let's go into the code. Let's consider the same data here. We have the name records and location records. First of all, we will make it as a table. Yes. Now go to the data tab. And you can select from table or range. Now we have the name and location as the records. Now you need to go to the add column because we are going to add the columns. Click on custom column. And this is the custom column. We are going to make it as a course. Now, what are the courses you have that has to be mentioned here as a list? List can be represented with the flower brackets, open flower brackets, double quotes, HTML, CSS. And what are the courses you want to add? Then you can look for the syntax errors. There are no syntax errors. Click OK. Now here you can see it is coming as a list because we entered as a list. Click on expand button, expand to new rows. Yes, here we go. So we have every records has been expanded for all the courses. The same way Shiva record has been expanded for all the courses and Rudra and Shakti and so on. So this is a simple way. Then after doing everything, just click on home and close and load. Now here you can see the same data has been ready for you. This is the simplest way. You can just multiply the records or whatever the records you have to have for each and every row. The row will be duplicated and the value will be added at the new column. So this is all about this video, and always be a rainbow in others' clouds.